So the windstorm warning has been extended, the high wind warning has been extended until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. So more gusty winds. They say most of the wind should be dying down. We could still see a couple of really strong gusts, which I've both felt and seen. Ooh, here comes a big one. See if we can get the tree rocking. There you go. Pan around some of these smaller ones. You can see them really moving. Anywho, we are also under a flood advisory. Some of the lower lying areas. One of our creeks has already reached the banks, so yeah. Keep you guys updated on all that. In the meantime, y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and stay weather aware. Lord knows I am.